Here's a simple application where we have a diatest BMD plug wired to a small display, and we're going to show the diameter as well as give you a light bar to indicate if the part is good or bad. This particular display comes with a stand. That stand can also be used as a mounting bracket if you wanted to mount the display directly onto the back of your workstation. In this case, we have one gauge going to it. There is a possibility to hook up multiple gauges to it. The gauge will recognize which plug is in use. So let's say you had 3 diameters you were checking. You can have 1, 2, 3, a KM3 stand, and all those gauges going to one display. When it changes over from one to the other, not only will the nominal size change, but your tolerancing and all those other features will change as well. So in this case, this application, it's simple. It's just one part. So your operator will be able to come up with this one part, set it on the gauge, hit the save switch, it'll save that data, hit it a second time, and you're ready to move on to your next part. So you can see how quick it is just to go in there. Bad parts, good parts, depending on what's happening. Now, I'd like to point out as well that if you had perhaps a multi-plane plug and you were checking 3 diameters with a single setup, this display can be set up to show all 3 diameters at a single time. We've got larger displays which are better suited for such applications, and if you had a fixture and you didn't want the wires as part of it, you can also set this up with wireless transmitters going out of the back of the probes and a wireless receiver that will plug into the back of the display and collect the data. So that's a brief explanation of how the CD43 works along with the BMD plugs. We can have a deeper conversation when you're ready.